Rish, when was the last time you checked your bank balance without feeling anxious? Grandpa, I don't remember. I just avoid it now. Avoiding it doesn't make it disappear, Rish.
I know, but every time I check, it feels like something is wrong with me.
There's nothing wrong with you. What's wrong is that no one ever taught you how money actually works.
Then why does it feel like I'm always behind, no matter how much I try?
Because you're playing a game without knowing the rules.
So what happens now, Grandpa?
Now, Rish, we reset everything. 30 days, no excuses. Rish, tell me, where does your money go?
Rent, food, small things, I guess.
Small things is where most people lose everything. But Grandpa, it's just $5 here, $10 there. Exactly. Small enough to ignore, but repeated enough to control your life.
So I'm not broke because of big mistakes?
No, Rish. You're broke because of invisible habits.
That's uncomfortable to hear.
Good. Growth always starts with discomfort. So what's step one? For the next 3 days, you track every penny, every single one.
That sounds exhausting.
Being broke is more exhausting, Rish. Days 4 to 10, we cut the noise.
Noise?
Unnecessary spending, subscriptions, impulse buying.
But those things make life enjoyable, Grandpa.
Temporary pleasure, Rish. Permanent stress.
So I have to stop everything?
Not forever, just long enough to regain control.
What if I fail?
You will slip. That's normal. But awareness is already progress.
It feels like I'm fighting myself.
You are, Rish, and that's the hardest battle. Now listen carefully, Rish. Cutting expenses is not enough. Then what else do I do? You increase your income. But I already have a job, Grandpa. A job gives you stability, not freedom. So where do I start? Start small. Sell something you don't need. Learn one skill. Offer one service. What if I don't earn much? It's not about the amount, Rish. It's about breaking the belief that money only comes from one place. That actually changes how I see things. Exactly. You're not just earning money, you're building control. Rish, do you know why this feels so hard? Because I lack discipline? No, because the system is designed against you. What do you mean, Grandpa? Every app, every ad, every offer is built to make you spend.
So I was never in control?
Not fully, Rish. You were being guided without realizing it.
That's scary.
It should be, because now you see it.
So escaping this isn't normal?
No, that's why most people stay stuck forever. But here's where everything changes, Rish.
Where, Grandpa?
When you stop saying, I'm bad with money, and start saying, I'm learning control. That feels different, because it is. Your identity shapes your actions.
So this 30 days isn't just about money.
No, Rish. It's about who you become.
And after 30 days,
you won't be perfect, but you won't be lost anymore. Rish, tell me, what did you learn?
That money isn't the problem. My habits were.
And now?
Now I feel in control.
Good, because control is the beginning of freedom.
Grandpa, I wish more people understood this.
Then help them, Rish.
How?
Share this and subscribe, because the next lesson might be exactly what they need to escape.